Good morning, children. Welcome back. So, today we are going to start a new lesson. So, in the previous lesson, we came to know few presentation tools that can be done. That means how to save our presentation file with the password and all. Okay, children. So, in today's class, we are going to know few more topics. Okay. So, let us start, children. So let us start. First of all, in OpenOffice Impress, we are having different presentation views. Okay. So what are they? First one is normal presentation view, outline presentation view, notes, handout, and slide sorter. Okay. Please observe the cursor while I am moving, children. Okay. Normal, outline, notes, handout, and slide sorter. These are the different presentation views that are present in our OpenOffice Impress. Okay. So first one is normal view. Well, coming to normal view, it is a default presentation view in which people can design and edit our presentations. Okay. So whenever we'll be opening this OpenOffice Impress presentation, by default only our slide will be in normal view. Okay. Next. So I think you people are able to see here normal view means what, children? Okay. In order, if you want to edit the text, you can edit, and by beside it you will be getting different alignments and all. Okay. So this is the way how you can select. First thing you can select by here only. Okay. Otherwise, there is another option. You should go to view menu that is present here, and then here you should select the presentation view. Okay, see, view, go to outline, view, go to slide sorter. Like that it will be there. Okay, you can change it. Next one is the slide sorter view. Slide sorter view means what? How many slides are present in our presentation? All the slides will be shown in an order like this. So for example, let me show you. First slide, second slide, third slide, fourth slide. Like that, several slides are there now. So now you select slide sorter view. See, all the 5 slides, 4 slides will be shown in an order. Okay, children? That is what called as slide sorter view. This is a very small lesson, children. Okay. And we already discussed the other way to select the slide sorter view. Go to view and then select the slide sorter view option. Okay. Next. Coming to the next one, which is the notes view. Notes view means what happens in the above text box. You can in the above selected box, you people can give the presentation view, and here click to add notes is there. Now here you can give the notes that is related to the slide that is used before on the top of the slide. Okay, so here if you want, why it is used notes slide, it is used for giving the some notes basing on the slides that you are showing in a presentation. Okay, for all these views there is a single option. Go to view option and then select the different kinds of views that are present in the presentation. Okay, next one, slideshow view. Slideshow view means what? Nothing but the entire slide, whatever we are doing, whatever presentation we are doing will be shown in a big screen. For that, you should go to slideshow and then select the slideshow option. See, all the text will be shown in a big screen. Okay, once the slides are completed, automatically it will be back to the original window. Okay, and the shortcut key is for slideshow is F5. What is the shortcut key for the slideshow, children? F5. Okay. So, with this, we have completed our 5th lesson. It is very small lesson, children. Only the particular presentation views, whatever presentation views are present in our OpenOffice Impress. So what is the lesson? Viewing presentations in OpenOffice Impress. How many presentations are there, children? 5 kinds of presentations are there. Normal view, outline, notes, handout, and then slide sorter. Clear, children? So I hope you all understood today's lesson. So basing on this, as it is an entirely practical session, I'm not giving any assignment for you. Just go through the video. And if you're having any queries, you can ask. Okay, children? Thank you.